JAT-306. Fully automatic collar type with multi-head weighing packaging machine. Packaging products: chips, dry fruits, namkeen, vegetables, seeds. Product application: any free flow items, sealing type, center side seal, packing speed, up to 40 to 100 ppm or depend on product. Category or head: filling system, multi-head weighing dropping system. Packaging film, heat sealable laminated film in roll form. Maximum film roll width 700 mm. Film draw mechanism, clutch and brake. Machine body, MS with powder coated. Product contact parts, SS made. AC drive PLC micro view, Delta Yaskawa Fuji. Batch cutting, assembled with horizontal sealer. Cylinders, Festo SMC. Compressed air require 5 kg. Quick speed control by AC drive. Electric power 2.5 kW to 3 kW, 3-phase. Machine's weight 1200 kg approx. Main motor 1 HP motor, 3-phase. Multi-head wear 2 head, 4 head, 10 head and 14 head, Ishida, Yamato. Sealing mechanism intermittent. Contact us today.